Cost of building a 4-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria in November 2024. In this video, I'm going to give you the estimated quantity of materials needed, estimated cost of materials using the current price. That is the current price of building materials here in Nigeria in November 2024. Now, I want you to note that it will be very difficult for you to derive an exact estimate for any building. So, estimate can be high or low depending on the following factors. One, the location of your building. The cost of building in Abuja is different from the cost of building in Lagos. It's different from the cost of building in Port Harcourt or anywhere else here in Nigeria. Two, the topography of the land. Are you building on a mountain area or on a valley or around waters of body or on a plain land? If you're building around mountain area, it's going to cost you more for excavation. If you're building on a valley, it's going to cost you more for reinforcement. If you're building on around waters of body, it's going to cost you more for filling. Okay. Another thing is the type of soil. Are you building on a loamy soil, sandy soil, or a clay soil? If you're building on a loamy soil, is way more better. Another thing is the construction method. The construction method engineer A might be different from the construction method the engineer B is using, so the cost is going to be different. Then another thing is the size of your building. Even if you're building the same 4-bedroom bungalow, if your own is bigger in size, it's going to cost you more. Another thing is the design of your building. Even if you're building the same 4-bedroom bungalow, if your design is different, it's going to cost you different amounts of money. Another thing is the cost of building materials as at the time you're building. So even if someone build the same type of 4-bedroom bungalow in July 2024, it's not going to cost you exactly the same amount in November 2024, even if you're building exactly the same type of house. Okay, here in Nigeria, prices of building materials differs from state to state. Let's take bag of cement, for instance. Here in Delta State, bag of cement currently costs 10,000 naira. In other states, it might cost 9,500 naira or 9,000 naira or 10,500 naira, but the difference is usually not much. Now, the best way to get a very close quotation for your building is from your building plan. So once you get your building plan from your architect, you hand it over to your engineer. From the building plan, your engineer should be able to derive a very close quotation for your building. But even if you're working with the best engineer, it is advisable you leave room for errors, okay? Let's say your engineer tells you that it's going to cost you a total of 30 million naira to build this 4-bedroom bungalow. You should budget at least 31 to 32 million naira, so that at the end of the day, you might end up spending 29 million naira or 31 million naira or 31.5 million naira. So always leave room for errors when making your budget, okay? Now, I want you to pay more attention to the quantity of materials we're going to be discussing in this video, so that you can match the current price of building materials to the quantity of materials when making your own budgets whenever you want to start your own building projects, okay? Now, let's look at the features of this 4-bedroom bungalow we are about to build. The total land size of this 4-bedroom bungalow is 50 by 100. That is 460 square meters, okay? The features of this 4-bedroom bungalow, it has the entrance pouch, the ante room, the sitting room, the dining area, then the 4-bedroom all-ensuite. 4-bedroom all-ensuite. It has the kitchen, the balcony, the laundry, okay? Those are the features for this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's look at the cost of building this 4-bedroom bungalow from foundation to DPC. From foundation to DPC, we need 5 inches block, 2,000 pieces of 5 inches block, and a piece of 5 inches block costs 550 naira. So 550 naira multiplied by 2,000 is giving us 1,100,000 naira. We need sharp sand. We need 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper. 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper sharp sand, and a trip costs 60,000 naira, and we need 3 trips. 3 trips of sharp sand, the 6-tire tipper, 8 tons, 3 trips of it, and a trip costs 60,000 naira. So 60 multiplied by 3 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need cement. We need 80 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied by 80 is giving us 800,000 naira. We need gravel. We need the 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper. 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, the 2 inches gravel. We need 2 trips of it, and a trip costs 160,000 naira. So 160 multiplied by 2 is giving us 320,000 naira. We need filling sand. We need the laterite, that is the filling sand. We need 30 trips, that is 30 tipper load of the 6-tire, and a trip costs 40,000 naira. So 40 multiplied by 30 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. Then we need 12 rod, 40 length of 12 rod, and a length of 12 rod costs 9,000 naira. So 9,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 360,000 naira. We need 8 rod. We need 15 length of 8 rod, and a length of 8 rod costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 15 is giving us 60,000 naira. We need binding wire. 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll of binding wire costs 30,000 naira. So 30 multiplied by 1 is giving us 30. We need board. We need 60 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 60 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need 2 by 2 softwood. We need 10 pieces of 2 by 2 softwood, and a piece of 2 by 2 costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied 1,000 naira, sorry, cost 1,000. So 1,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 10,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, one bag of 3 inches nail, and the bag costs 33,000, giving us 33,000. We need 4 inches nail, one bag of 4 inches nail costs 33,000 and giving us 33,000. So for the foundation to DPC for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 4,306,000 naira. 4,306,000 naira. Then when you convert it to dollar using 1,730 naira as exchange rate, we have $2,489. $2,489 if it's in dollar. Then if it's in naira, is 4,306,000 naira. Then let's move over to the German floor. The German floor for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 2 trips of it, and a trip costs 60,000 naira. So 60,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 120,000 naira. We need gravel. We need 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 1 trip of it, and a trip costs 160,000. So 160 multiplied by 1 is giving us 160. We need cement. We need 40 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 400,000 naira. Now for the German floor for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 680,000 naira. 680,000 naira. Then when you convert it to dollar using 1,730 naira as exchange rate, we have $393. $393. Now let's move over to the lintel. The lintel for this 4-bedroom bungalow, the lintel for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 5 inches block. We need 2,000 pieces of 5 inches block, and a piece of 5 inches block costs 550 naira. So 550 naira multiplied by 2,000 is giving us 1,100,000 naira. We need cement. We need 100 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 1 million naira. We need gravel. We need gravel. This 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 2 trips of it, and a trip costs 160,000 naira. So 160 multiplied by 2 is giving us 320,000 naira. We need board. We need 100 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need 2 by 2 wood. We need 2 by 2 wood. We need 100 pieces of 2 by 2 wood, and a piece of 2 by 2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 100,000 naira. We need sharp sand. We need the 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 3 trips of it, and a trip costs 60,000 naira. So 60,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need 12 rod, 50 length of 12 rod, and a length costs 9,000 naira. So 9,000 multiplied by 50 is giving us 450,000 naira. We need 8 rod. We need 20 length of 8 rod, and a length of 8 rod costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 80,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail. We need 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 33,000 naira. Then we need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 33,000 naira. Then we need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll of binding wire costs 30,000 naira. So that is giving us 30,000 naira. Now for the lintel for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 3,629,000 naira. 3,629,000 naira. Then if you're converting it to dollar using 1,730 naira as exchange rate, we have $2,098. $2,098. Now let's look at the parapet. That is the concrete fascia for this 4-bedroom bungalow. For this 4-bedroom bungalow, the 3-step parapet, that is the concrete fascia. We need 12 rod. We need 50 length of 12 rod, and a length costs 9,000 naira. So 9,000 multiplied by 50 is giving us 450,000 naira. We need 10 rod. We need 30 length of 10 rod, and a length costs 8,000 naira. So 8,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 240,000 naira. We need 8 rod, 20 length of 8 rod, and a length of 8 rod costs 80,000 naira. That is giving us a length of 8 rod costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 80,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll of binding wire costs 30,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail, half bag of 2 inches nail, and the half bag costs 16,500. That is giving us 16,500. We need the gravel, the chippings, the small chippings, the small gravel. We need 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, 5 tons of it, and a trip. We need 1 trip, and a trip costs 160,000 naira. Then we need cement, 40 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 10,000 naira. 10,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 400,000 naira. Then we need sharp sand. We need 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 1 trip of it, and a trip costs 60,000 naira, and that is giving us 60,000 naira. We need 1x4 board, 80 pieces of 1x4 board, and a piece of 1x4 board costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 80 is giving us 64,000 naira. We need 1x5. We need 1x5, 80 pieces of 1x5, and a piece of 1x5 costs 1,500 naira. So 80 times 1,500 naira is giving us 120,000 naira. We need board. We need 60 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 60 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need bamboo. We need 40 pieces of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 40 is giving us 32,000 naira. Then we need 2x2 softwood, 40 pieces of 2x2 softwood, and a piece of 2x2 softwood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 40,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag of 3 inches nail costs 33,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag of 4 inches nail costs 33,000, giving us 33,000 naira. So for the concrete fixture for this 4-bedroom bungalow, that is the parapet, 3-step parapet for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 1,938,500 naira. 1,938,500 naira. Then when you convert it to dollar using exchange rate of 1,730 naira, we have a total of $1,121. $1,121 if it's in dollars, and if it's in naira, we need 1,938,500 naira. Now let's look at the roofing. The roofing, just the woodwork. The roofing sheet is not included. Just the woodwork for this roofing. We need 2x3 wood. We need 2x3 wood, and we need 900 pieces of 2x3 wood, and a piece of 2x3 costs 1,300 naira. So 1,300 naira multiplied by 900 is giving us 1,170,000 naira. Then we need 2x4 hardwood, 1,000 pieces of 2x4 wood, and a piece of 2x4 wood costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 1,000 is giving us 2 million naira. Then we need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail costs 33,000, that is 33,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail costs 33,000, giving us 33,000 naira. So for the roofing for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 3,236,000 naira. 3,236,000 naira. Then when you convert it to dollar using 1,730 naira as exchange rate, we have $1,871. $1,871 for the roofing for this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's add everything together to know the cost. From foundation to DPC for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we got a total of 4,306,000 naira. 4,306,000 naira. When you convert it to dollar, we got a total of $2,489. Then for the German floor, we got a total of 680,000 naira. Then converting it to dollar, we got a total of $393. Then for the lintel for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we got a total of 3,629,000 naira. 3,629,000 naira. Converting it to dollar, we got a total of $2,098. Then for the concrete fixture, the 3-step parapet, we got a total of 1,938,500 naira. 1,938,500 naira. Then when you convert it to dollar, we got a total of $1,121. $1,121. Then the roofing for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we got a total of 3,236,000 naira. 3,236,000 naira. When you convert it to dollar, we got a total of $1,871. $1,871. Then the total cost of building this 4-bedroom bungalow from foundation to roofing, excluding the roofing sheet, the screeding, the POP, all those ones are not included. No plumbing, wiring, no, just the skeleton work. We got a total of 13,789,500 naira. The total cost of building this 4-bedroom bungalow from foundation to roofing is 13,789,500 naira. Then when you convert it to dollar, it's giving us $7,971. $7,971 for this 4-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria in November 2024 using the current price of building materials. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. This video is just to give you an idea on how much you should budget when planning on building your 4-bedroom bungalow. This is not the exact amount you will spend. Okay, please like this video so that more people can see it. And if you're looking for a good and genuine engineer to handle your building project, or you want a more personalized quotation, I would highly recommend Engineer Mewerium. His phone number will always be on the screen. also in the description box. Contact him, let him know you came from Merimo on YouTube, and yeah, he will handle your building projects and you have peace of mind. Okay, please like this video so that more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for more informations like this, okay, and help me share. Okay, share with your friends, your family members, anyone at all you know will find this video helpful. Please help me share with them, okay, and leave me a comment if you have any question for me. Put it down in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.